Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris from HeatPressNation. Are you ready to earn some rewards while shopping for your favorite HeatPressNation products? Let me introduce you to HeatPressNation's Press Perks Rewards program. Press Perks is an awesome customer loyalty program that lets you earn points when you shop on HeatPressNation.com. These points can then be redeemed for coupons and other perks. And the best part? It's free to join. To enroll in the program, just create an account on HeatPressNation.com and join the program through the pop-up panel. By joining the program, you agree to the program terms and conditions and you'll start receiving program-related emails. So, how does it work? You'll earn points for every dollar spent on HeatPressNation.com, and these points can then be redeemed for rewards. The program has 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold, and each tier has its own points earning rates and rewards available. To advance to the next tier, you need to reach certain spending milestones. For example, if you spend $1,200, you'll move up to the silver tier and earn even more points per dollar spent. Plus, you'll unlock exclusive sales and receive an awesome birthday gift. Once you've earned enough points, you can redeem them for rewards like $10, $15, $20, $25, and even $50 off of your next purchase. It's that easy. So, what are you waiting for? Join the HeatPressNation Press Perks Rewards program today and start earning rewards while shopping for your favorite products. It's free, it's easy, and it's totally worth it.